Okay, welcome back. What we want to look at is measurement of power in a three-phase system, okay? And this is already information which may be available, and it's important that you look this up for yourselves, okay? So you find additional information. Also, now please bear in mind that the colors have since changed to brown, black, grey in regards to the IE regs, okay? So make sure you're compliant with the IE regulations 18th edition, okay? This information was written some time ago, so again bear that in mind. And I've gone here with L1, L2 and L3, okay, to keep it hopefully in some kind of sequence. Okay. Now you will need to do the calculations for this yourselves, so be aware that you will need to do some additional research, do a little bit of write-up for yourselves as well, extract the information, draw out the diagrams, make the work your own, okay? Now here's a calculation which shows you how the process has been applied in regards to the voltage, instantaneous power, and voltage across relevant parts of the circuit. Okay. It's also going to give you the total power. Okay, and you need to bear that in mind. Okay. Now again, write it out for yourselves. Free watt meter method, okay, and here you have the free watt meter method, okay. And here we have an example. Now do the example, work it out, make sure you have arrived at the same solution that has been given here. I've worked it out for myself and I believe that the solution is correct. And because it is, I did not need to do it again in a different format. Okay. Okay, I hope you find this useful, and I'll say bye for now. Thank you. Bye bye.